Wagwan dirty people. All right, so I just wanted to do a weekly analysis for a few pairs. I've decided that I'm going to start incorporating US pairs into my trading and then kind of find what 1, 2, or 3 pairs really works with me best. But yeah, I realize it doesn't make much sense to trade GJ when the best times to trade that pair is at 3 or 4 a.m. I'm either asleep or I'm in bed on my phone, half sleep. So it just makes sense to trade something that it has volatility when the US opens. So I'm gonna be looking at these charts from the top down, starting with GJ. Ew. Okay, those charts are crazy. Sorry, you had to see the mess. So honestly, I know it's controversial, right? So on the monthly, we're actually in a level that has reversed from before, right? Actually, we kind of fell from that. But what I wanted to bring your attention to was the way this previous candle closed on the weekly time frame, right? And then we have this level right here, which acted as support on the weekly time frame before. And I feel like even if GJ doesn't fall to hell, there might be at least the tiniest little bit of retracement just because of, you see price slowing down and you see that we've used this area of support before. So my bias for the week is I'm going to want to catch a bearish move, right? So I think that would best be shown. Well, I mean, as long as I have my 1 hour fib and it's easy for me to identify, I'm good. So point A, point B. I took some sells around this area when it came up to 163,750. I got it for some sells, and then again when price came up to here, because this is a 500 level, right? So I did experience some drawdown, and then I added more sells when price was up here, because if I go on the 4 hour, the whole entire time we still never broke that level of resistance. So if price is going back up during an Asian session, I figure we could probably go bearish from here, and we did. So I take profit. Ultimately, it's going to be that level right there. Yeah, maybe. So UJ on the monthly, I like what I see when it comes to how price created support, right? So we look to the left, we see price created resistance here before, and now price came here, slowed down. If I was trading UJ last week, I think I would have had a bullish bias because of 1, where it was, and 2, how price created this doji, this moment of indecision right here. So my bias for the month is ultimately bearish, but I do think that at first we can have some sort of nice bearish move from here. Right, because we look to the left and we see price is exhausted at this area before. So what's the chance that, you can have another bearish candle close from here? Again, it's just simple support and resistance. This is new for me, doing it on such a high time frame, like seeing what's happening on the high time frames, like the monthly and the weekly, and then basing your setups and your plays and what your bias for the week based off that. Like, it makes sense saying it out loud, but it's so easy to get caught up in the smaller things because that's where price is moving fast. But I do see that on the daily time frame you have, actually on the weekly time frame you have this area where price created resistance. So there could be some sort of debacle going on in this level. I don't know how price is going to react to it. I don't know what she's fin to do. I mean, we already have a reaction right now. So my current fib is point A. And then we have point B right here at the bottom of this bearish wick. And yeah, I put sells from here if the market provides an opportunity. Yep. Let's see. Is there any level on the daily where it could look clean? This is based off of the weekly time frame. Oh, this is a nice level. That's a nice clean level on the daily. I ain't even gonna lie to you. Yeah, she's a spicy level. Let me just put this up here. So it might just be 100% retracement if we actually do continue to go bearish. Moving on to UCHF, my bias for this one. So let's see, in the monthly time frame, I have the same look like how UJ looks. We created support here, massive bearish, bullish engulfing candle. So I think it can go bullish on a monthly, but I think we can also go bearish like right now and this week because of how, let's put this back on. Okay, I have something better for you. Let's see, because that's fugly. This looks better, more clean. All right. Yeah, I don't really like areas with massive wicks like that. It doesn't really make sense to me. So something like this. I'm gonna take this away because I think precision when it comes to supply and demand is super important. Honestly, even this right here. And then you can clean it on the weekly. Yeah. So monthly bias, but weekly bias for right now. And I said the previous weekly candle, the way it closed with that massive wick on a resistance level, right? I think that we have a chance of going bearish. Like it's probably not going to be yeet right there, but maybe some type of come back up and continue bearish. That could be a possibility. But anything is possible in the markets. Again, my weekly bias on GU is bullish. Look how the previous candle closed. I do see the massive wick on top, but at the same time, it doesn't have to be like the candle that goes to the gods. It could be the slightest thing that, I'll try to take an opportunity out of it. So right now I see that we're on resistance. I want to look for some buys, and I don't really see a lot of delicious, juicy areas of opportunity, except for maybe like this area, which we were already in, Wah, 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 wah. And then AU. Weekly bias is bullish. Well, this must be because of that previous candle close on the monthly. Yeah, on the monthly support right here. Yeah, I'd buy this hoe. I'd buy this hoe for sure. What are the most opportune times for you? Let's see, on the 4 hour. Is this a fib opportunity? Fibonacci. So boom, point A, not broken yet. Point B. Okay, we haven't broken this level. So okay, this could be the fib that we're in, and based off of this break that happened right here. Miles running this constant light. So I'm just gonna keep it on. And we got the same thing going on for EU as well. All these pairs, I'm pretty sure I'm gonna look around 6 and then look for an entry around until maybe like 9 or 10. But I have back tested none of this. So everything I say could easily go all wrong. No, I don't really care. It's all good. Yeah, I'm not even gonna try US30, girl. She's a different lengths. But you know who I haven't done? I don't think I did gold. That might have been what I started out with, but you know what? I don't remember. Yeah, so monthly resistance, now turn support. And then you see how the weekly candle closed on that level. Massive, it's engulfing. So fat and so juicy. So my weekly bias is bullish, but we're also super close to this level. And there could be it could be a fight happening. It could even come all the way down, back down bearish. I don't know. But I think that this next weekly candle can close with some movement to the upside and maybe a rejection. I don't know. We'll see. We're going to see.